Yo, so we've all heard that bright colors in nature usually mean something's poisonous or venomous, right? Well, yeah, sometimes that may be true, and there's even a scientific concept behind it called aposematism, which is basically when certain animals rely on specific traits such as bright colors to signal toxicity and warn off predators. But here's my problem with that. If that was really a solid rule, then explain why some of the most brightly colored animals in the world are completely harmless. For instance, you got animals like electric blue day geckos, red-eyed tree frogs, and one of my personal favorites, San Francisco garter snakes. All of these are extremely colorful but completely harmless to humans. And yeah, before anybody says it, some garter snakes can store mild toxins from what they eat. But here's the thing, that ain't got nothing to do with their colors. Now on the flip side of this, some of the most plain Jane looking animals on Earth can actually be the most toxic. Let's go to Australia for a second. Yes, Australia. Look at the inland taipan, for example. Nothing really colorful about this snake, but it has some of the strongest venom of any land snake on Earth. Also, look at the Australian brown snake. It's literally just a brown snake, but it causes more human deaths in Australia than any other snake. Then you got this thing called a stonefish. This is about as plain Jane as it gets. It literally just looks like a rock, but it's one of the most venomous animals on Earth. Stepping on this thing is a good way to get deleted out the simulation. So clearly color ain't telling the full story. Now you might be wondering, what about poison dart frogs? Like yeah, these frogs are extremely colorful and can be extremely toxic, but here's the part nobody tells you. They don't even make their own toxins. They literally have no ability to produce venom or poison. They get their poison from eating certain insects in the wild, but if you take that away from them, they become completely harmless. Hence the reason you'll even see them being sold as pets. And if you ain't know it now, you know. So yeah, color can be a warning, but it ain't a rule. Nature don't just follow simple rules like that. That's just something we like to tell ourselves.